Konnichiwa, my fellow crafters, and welcome back to the Origami Workshop. In today's episode, we're revisiting the 2D origami projects we covered just before the Christmas break, like last year. This one was going to be a 2D origami dog. This is quite an easy activity, and it's also a good one for the younger viewers as well, as we'll just about to demonstrate. So, as always, as regular viewers of our channel will know, so we start off with our origami paper, 15 by 15 centimeters or 6 inches by 6 inches in old money. And first things first, we turn the paper around to diamond. So we turn the square around so it's like this. There we go. Get a better view of what we're about to do next. And next we just fold the paper in half, like so. Make sure we go corner to corner, or edge to edge. So when we fold it over, we need this point of our diamond to meet that one. So we just like that, edge to edge. Just fold down or sharpen the fold there in the middle. And fold it out like so. Excuse me. And now we're going to fold it half again, so we want the top point of our diamond to meet the bottom point like this. So fold in half like a triangle. So now we have our triangle. Now it's time to give our dog some ears. And to do that, we're going to fold this part of the triangle here. That's going to be folded upwards, like that, like this. So I'm just going to show you exactly where the fold is, so we know roughly where it's going to go. You see this fold here just unfolded where the ears are, so you know roughly where it's going to go. So we just fold it up like so. We have one ear. Let's repeat on the other side. So we have two ears like so. Let's move it over just a little tiny bit. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's slightly off. You can just adjust it. So yeah, let's make some adjustments, make sure they're fairly equal. There we go, perfect. Right, so our dog has some ears. Now we're going to turn the project over, like so. And now we're going to give our dog a nose. So we can to do the nose and the other detailing, we're going to fold up the bottom part of this small triangle at the bottom here. See this one here where my thumb is? So we're going to fold that up, and that's going to give our dog some nose detail. So just with a pencil, just draw a line there, and then just lightly shade it in like that. Give it some give them a nose. There's some, last but not least, some more detailing to give him a mouth. So we want two semicircles. Create the muzzle, if you like. And last but not least, give our dog some eyes. So I'm going to draw some eyes on like this. Just three circles. And just one large one, one medium, and a small one just there in the corner. And then the medium one, just shade that in as you did before. Then same as before. And a small one, then you shade the medium one in like that. So there we have it. We have one 2D origami dog. And once this is made, as I've mentioned earlier in the video, like the other 2D projects, this can be mounted on some coloured paper, or it can be used as a wall as a decoration for our younger viewers' bedrooms or books or anything. The possibilities are pretty much unlimited with the 2D projects. So yeah, let your imagination run wild on how you can use your 2D origami dog once it's finished. Okay, so that's all we've got time for today on the Origami Workshop. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like, and if you're one of our regular subscribers, then you know the drill. If you've clicked notification bell, you'll get notification of when the next videos are uploaded. So we're back up to fortnightly videos now, as opposed to weekly as it was right up to Christmas. And if you're not one of our regular subscribers, by all means click the subscribe button, hit notification bell, and you'll have craft projects all the way through the year and beyond. Also, don't forget you can follow us on social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Social media handles are coming up at the end of the video. Also follow us on Patreon, helps support our work in the community. And for our UK viewers, you can also join our Running Me Crafts group at nextdoor.co.uk. So just search Running Me Crafts group, and click the invite button, and we'll be happy to welcome you in. It's a very large group at the moment. It's growing rapidly. It's a large online community. And also, don't forget, you can also see us on our website as well, www.runningmecrafts.com, where you can access this channel, social media pages, access our Class Bento classes. We are now listed on classbento.co.uk, where you can access virtual classes and face-to-face classes in the UK. We've got new ones being added pretty much every month, so always check back every now and again, because always new stuff happening there. And you can also access our online shop, our dates for our face-to-face market stalls, and some of our work in the community as well. So once again, from all of us here at Running Me Crafts and the Origami Workshop, stay crafty, take care, and sayonara for now. We'll see you real soon.